Hey everyone, and welcome back to Getting Started with WeedTech.AI. Now, this is going to be the last harvesting video. We're going to be focusing on a dry harvest as well as a dry trim. So this will be both dry trim and flower. We're also going to go through the curing step, which just adds one extra little step, so it shouldn't be any big deal. So let's just go ahead and roll right in. I assume you've probably seen the other harvesting videos, so I don't need to go through all the beginning stuff. So I've just started us off directly in the harvesting action here. So we can see here that we're going to be dry trimming this harvest. So that initial trim weight is not going to be here because we're not going to be trimming yet. So let's go ahead and enter our weights here. 2 and 2. And we'll set this to pounds just for the purposes of this video, and we're just going to click submit. Okay, now if we check our products now in our home page, we can see that we have just one harvest as opposed to the 10 plants we initially had. And if we click in here, then we're going to see a new action called cure. And this action, it just says that it's going to move you forward in the harvesting process and allow you to choose whether you're going to cure your harvest or not. So let's go ahead and click here, and we can see that now we've got a trim weight popping up because we have finished our drying step and we're ready to do our trimming. So let's go ahead and throw 2 in there. Set that to pounds, and then flour and waste both to pounds. Now, we're also going to select Cure this harvest just so that we can show you exactly how that works. And once we click Submit here, we're going to be taken back to our home screen, and we're going to see that we now have a trim product because we dry trimmed. And it also has the batch created to go with it. If we click in here, you can see the trim product already ready to go. And now we also have our harvest product in the curing stage. So that's the main way you're going to keep track of this. You just pay attention to the stage essentially. And when you're ready to go, you just click on your harvest here. And we see one more new action called complete. And this little pop-up says this action will complete your harvest and put the resulting products into a batch ready for sale. So if we go ahead and click complete here, we have one more weight input. So, you know, if you lost weight during the curing process or something like that, then you would reflect that here. So let's just go ahead and keep 2 and 2. You just record the total weight, obviously. So let's just click submit. And now we can see that this has created our flour product with our weight here. So if we check our batches and we go in here, then we should be good to go. And that's all there is to the harvesting process. And past this, we're going to be taking a look at getting samples made as well as making a sale. Okay, so I will see you guys in the next video.